it's the president, but the president has to, number one, ensure that we have a treaty between us and that country, reciprocating country. Secondly, there has to be a gazette notice, a request, and then it has to be gazetted, and then it has to go through Parliament. So if that is not there, then no deployment of police officers can happen. Okay. The National Security Council, on its part, can only deploy the Kenya Defense Forces, not the police service.
They could deploy outside Kenya. Otherwise, there is every reason why writing this constitution, we renamed it from a police force to a police service. And in fact, it's a government parastatal called KIPRA that actually undertook a detailed investigation on why we must change the name of the police force before the new constitution to a police service so that it can serve here. And you know, I like to give factual examples. I come from a place called Kapedo. Maybe many of you have heard about Kapedo. It's a battleground. You know, people being killed every day. There is no enough police service there. So really, what wisdom could possibly have driven President William Ruto to make that roadside declaration that Kenya police, who are very inadequate in our own country, could be deployed to another country, to a gangster, to a gangland, basically?
I've been the attorney in this matter. Yeah, first of all, we have to congratulate my client here for doing a good job, impeccable instructions that were presented before court. Number two, I want to congratulate the court for standing and delivering justice to Kenyans. It's quite unheard of that somebody will just want to wake up one day and say that he's sending troops 1,000 miles away in Haiti. So the court has said that it's unconstitutional.
Haya, ndikiwa we woni waku ni uriko ohoro wigi igoti